I told him I wanted a Mercedes-Benz AMG. He said, we'll see. Now he blocked and I'm in an AMG.
They said AI can't eat, but here I am eating better than half, y'all. Created from a prompt and still got more flavor than your last 3 situationships.
AI influencers are here. They're perfect, always on brand, and they never sleep. But here's the kicker. They're making real money. In this video, I'll show you how people are monetizing them and exactly how you can create your own AI influencer videos. Before we get to the tutorial on how to make them, how do you tell apart real human from AI influencers? AI influencers blend into your feed so well, it's almost impossible to tell them apart from real people. But here are 3 giveaways. Look for flawless, plastic-perfect skin. AI tends to overdo it. You'll see skin that's too smooth, too symmetrical, with no pores or natural blemishes. It looks too good to be human. Something else to look for is glitchy appearance changes. It sounds crazy, but sometimes their appearance changes mid-video. 1 second they're talking, and suddenly, braces appear on their teeth, or an eyelash disappears mid-blink. Or weird behaviors. Ever seen an influencer take a giant bite of food and just swallow it whole? AI avatars will often skip the complex chewing animation, and it looks creepy once you notice it. But here's the thing, most brands don't care if it's real or AI. What they care about is audience attention, and AI influencers are crushing it.
Fume of the day is Alien Goddess. Between this and the intense version, I'm not sure which one I like more.
We'll first create a high-quality image. You can create a realistic AI photo using Leonardo.ai, Sora, or even free tools like Google Image FX. Take your time to prompt an image that is realistic. Make sure it's high-res, front-facing, with a subtle expression. We'll then head over to VEO3. There are 2 ways that we can achieve this. 1, you can simply create a video. Without using an image, just paste your prompt and generate.
I'm about to do my evening skincare routine and call it a night. I really enjoyed spending my day with y'all. Good night, guys.
The second method, which is what I recommend, is to use images as a reference. The reason I recommend using an image is to ensure character consistency.
I haven't noticed much of a difference between the image input and the video output.
The ability to use image to generate videos has made character consistency much easier.
You get to use the same image over and over again, creating a character that pretty much looks the same. The beauty of it all is, you can create an influencer of any ethnicity, race, and even accent.
Want that dewy glow? Just dab a few drops of rosehip oil before your moisturizer. Trust me, your skin will thank you.
I'm very consistent with my hair care routine, and I believe that has helped a lot with length retention. Guys, oil your hair and do regular deep treatments.
An issue that may arise with VEO3 video is you end up with the same character, but the voice used changes, or VEO3 suddenly gives your character an accent. To fix this, I use 11 Labs. They have this feature called the Voice Changer. You simply create a specific voice for your character and upload your video. Let 11 Labs do its magic. This ensures that your influencer's voice is the same. It's literally that simple. No cameras, no editing headaches. Just upload, script, generate, and start growing your AI influencer empire. If you want me to create a full step-by-step video on building an AI influencer brand from scratch, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because this AI content game is just getting started.